Home of Xite edibles. Here behind me you can see we have a melting tank of milk chocolate, all natural milk chocolate made in-house with our proprietary formula, getting ready to get infused with our all-natural hemp-derived Delta 9 THC. And here we got 7,000 grams of full spectrum hemp oil. I'm about to get ready to infuse, so we need to do 2,700 grams to get this infusion right. So here we go. At 1,000, 1,500, 2,000, 2,700 on the dot. So we're gonna take the 2,700 grams and dump it in our all-natural milk chocolate. So they're both being oil-based, they're both gonna blend very well and homogenize nice and evenly after we mix everything. So now all we're gonna have to do is drill it, mix it nice and evenly. So we take a nice big drill with a big spindle on it.
Hey guys, it's Mike, Nicewanger, home of Patsy's Candies and Xite Edibles. So today we're actually running probably our most popular edible piece, our peanut butter nuggets. So what we have on this machine right here, if you look up on top, we've got peanut butter, infused peanut butter going in on one side, pure chocolate going in on the other. What's happening, the machine is actually making a peanut butter filled center. So we're injecting chocolate through one nozzle, peanut butter through a middle nozzle, all together at the exact timing to create a peanut butter filled chocolate. So once the machine's done filling them, these molds are going to move down, they get shaken and vibrated just slightly, and into a cooling tunnel where they cool for about 20 minutes. And right now, at the speed we're running, we're going to get about 300 peanut butter nuggets a minute coming off this machine. After we get going, the run's going well, we may speed that up to almost 400. Kind of depends on our temperature controls. But peanut butter nuggets are one of our most popular pieces. No, you should, Dad.
I know it. He's got to be the quality control down here. So
the patriarch of the business. This is Wes Nicewanger. I want to show you something over here.
Oh no, you can't do that.
No, I don't want to see it.
Oh no, that's bad news.
All right. Okay, guys, now we're at the final end of the production of the peanut butter nuggets. So what we have right now is there'll be a tapping noise you'll hear. That's knocking the chocolates out onto the belt. They're coming down the line, going onto layer boards, which then the final step will be into the wrapper. So once we get them on boards, we'll kind of stage them and bring them right to the wrapper, wrap them, and then they're ready to go into the bins. Right now, as I mentioned earlier, we're running at about 300 pieces a minute at this current speed. All right, guys, what we have here, I mentioned that it has a peanut butter center. Right there is one that I just cut off the line, cut it open. You can see a nice peanut butter center, chocolate all the way around. That's what the machine does.
So now that you guys know how we infuse each product and wrap it, you can find our local Xite products at your smoke shop today.
And hey guys, by the way, if your local smoke shop doesn't carry it, ask them to carry our products. Xite, Xite. We're ready to go and we'd love to have it everywhere. So we really appreciate you coming down, kind of getting an inside look at how we make all of our Xite products, our Patsy's products. You know, it's pretty fascinating. So if you've enjoyed it, make sure you like and subscribe. Tell your friends, share our links. We want to do this more often, kind of make it interactive. So we really hope that you guys give us comments, your feedback.
Thanks so much, guys.